You must have seen many animals in the world which you know because of their special color. But in today's video I will show you 10 albino animals which you would not have seen before. Before the countdown starts, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. 1. Albino Alligator. The albino alligator is one of the most extraordinary and rare reptiles found on Earth. Unlike their camouflaged, swamp-dwelling cousins, albino alligators lack melanin, the pigment responsible for their natural green, gray, or black coloration. Instead, they boast a ghostly white skin tone and pale pink eyes, caused by the blood vessels being visible through their translucent irises. These striking creatures are extremely rare, with fewer than 100 known to exist globally, most of them in captivity. Albino alligators are born from parents carrying the recessive albinism gene, which is an extremely uncommon occurrence in the wild. Their survival in natural habitats is precarious. As hatchlings, their inability to blend into their surroundings makes them easy targets for predators like birds, raccoons, and other alligators. Even if they manage to survive infancy, their sensitivity to sunlight due to the absence of protective melanin makes it nearly impossible for them to thrive in exposed areas. In captivity, albino alligators are celebrated marvels, drawing large crowds to zoos and aquariums worldwide. Their size and unique coloration make them both intimidating and beautiful. These creatures can grow up to 13 feet long and weigh as much as 500 pounds. One of the most famous albino alligators, Claude, resides at the California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco, where he is carefully kept in dim lighting to protect his sensitive skin. 2. Albino Peacock. Peacocks are renowned for their dazzling and vibrant feathers, which showcase a breathtaking display of blues, greens, and golds. However, the albino peacock, often referred to as the white peacock, trades its kaleidoscopic beauty for a more serene and angelic appearance. These peacocks are entirely white, with shimmering feathers that resemble delicate lace when fanned out. Their pinkish eyes, a hallmark of true albinism, further distinguish them from their colorful relatives. Despite their striking beauty, albino peacocks face significant challenges in the wild. Their white plumage makes them highly visible to predators, while their inability to camouflage hinders their ability to evade danger. As a result, most albino peacocks are found in captivity, where they are admired for their rarity and elegance. Interestingly, white peacocks are often mistaken for leucistic peacocks, which also have a pale appearance but retain some faint coloration in their feathers. True albino peacocks are much rarer, and their delicate beauty is often associated with themes of purity and grace in various cultures. 3. Albino Kangaroo. Australia's iconic kangaroo, with its muscular build and powerful hops, takes on a completely different appearance when albinism comes into play. Albino kangaroos are incredibly rare, and their snow-white fur and pale pink eyes make them look like mythical creatures of the outback. These unique animals are often born from a recessive gene carried by both parents, a phenomenon that occurs only once in several thousand births. In the wild, albino kangaroos face significant survival challenges. Their white fur makes them easy targets for predators such as dingoes and large birds of prey. Furthermore, their lack of pigmentation leaves their skin vulnerable to sunburn in Australia's harsh sunlight. As a result, most albino kangaroos are observed in wildlife sanctuaries and conservation parks, where they are protected and cared for. One famous albino kangaroo, named Whitey, became an internet sensation after being photographed in a wildlife park in Victoria. Despite their challenges, these rare creatures continue to capture the fascination and admiration of animal lovers worldwide. 4. Albino Humpback Whale. In the vast expanse of the ocean, where blue and gray dominate, an albino humpback whale is a sight of unparalleled beauty. The most famous of these rare whales is Migaloo, a male albino humpback whale first spotted off the coast of Australia in 1991. His name, derived from an indigenous Australian term meaning white fellow, perfectly encapsulates his ethereal appearance. Humpback whales are already majestic animals, known for their incredible size, melodic songs, and acrobatic breaches. However, Migaloo's entirely white skin sets him apart, making him a marine celebrity. Albino whales like Migaloo are exceedingly rare, with fewer than 5 confirmed sightings worldwide. Migaloo's albinism presents unique challenges. Without melanin, his skin is highly susceptible to sunburn, especially in areas where the ocean surface reflects sunlight intensely. Conservationists closely monitor Migaloo to ensure his safety, as his bright color also makes him more vulnerable to human threats like poaching or boat collisions. Despite these challenges, Migaloo continues to roam the oceans, inspiring awe and wonder among those fortunate enough to see him. 5. Albino Gorilla. The albino gorilla is one of the rarest and most fascinating primates in the world. The only known example, Snowflake, was a western lowland gorilla discovered in Equatorial Guinea in 1966. Snowflake's completely white fur and pinkish skin made him a unique specimen, drawing global attention during his lifetime. Snowflake's albinism was caused by a genetic mutation resulting from inbreeding, highlighting the importance of genetic diversity in wildlife populations. Despite his unusual appearance, Snowflake lived a relatively normal life at the Barcelona Zoo, where he became an international icon. He fathered 22 offspring, none of whom inherited his albinism. Snowflake passed away in 2003 at the age of 39 due to skin cancer, a condition exacerbated by his albinism. His story remains a poignant reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the challenges faced by albino animals. 6. Albino Deer. Albino deer are often described as ghostly and mystical due to their entirely white coats and pinkish features. These rare creatures are revered in folklore and mythology, often symbolizing purity, spirituality, or good fortune. However, their bright coloration makes them vulnerable in the wild, as they are easily spotted by predators and hunters. In some regions, albino deer are protected by law, with special regulations prohibiting their hunting. Wildlife photographers and nature enthusiasts consider sightings of albino deer to be once-in-a-lifetime experiences. These animals, with their ethereal beauty, continue to captivate the human imagination. 7. Albino Lion. Albino lions are among the rarest big cats, distinguished by their pure white fur and pink facial features. Unlike white lions, which have a creamy hue due to a different genetic mutation, albino lions lack all pigmentation. Their rarity and striking appearance make them highly sought after for breeding programs in zoos and sanctuaries. In the wild, albino lions face significant survival challenges. Their inability to camouflage makes hunting difficult, and their sensitive skin is prone to sun damage. However, their majestic beauty has earned them a place in conservation efforts aimed at preserving their unique genetics. Number 8. Albino Penguin. Albino penguins are incredibly rare and stand out starkly against the icy landscapes of their habitats. Unlike their tuxedo-clad counterparts, albino penguins are completely white, with pale pink or red eyes. Their rarity makes them prized subjects for wildlife photographers and researchers. These penguins face unique challenges in the wild, as their bright coloration reduces their ability to evade predators. Despite this, a few albino penguins have been observed thriving in the wild, proving their resilience. 9. Albino Snake. Albino snakes are mesmerizing creatures that lack the dark pigmentation typical of their species. popular examples include the albino Burmese python and the albino corn snake, both of which are often kept as exotic pets. Their bright white or yellowish coloration and pinkish eyes make them strikingly beautiful. In the wild, albino snakes face higher predation risks due to their visibility. However, in captivity, they are celebrated for their unique appearance and are bred specifically for their rare traits. 10. Albino Hedgehog. Albino hedgehogs are small mammals with pure white quills and pinkish skin. These adorable creatures are rare in the wild but are often bred in captivity for their unique appearance. Their lack of pigmentation makes them sensitive to sunlight, requiring special care. Albino animals, with their unique and captivating appearances, serve as extraordinary reminders of nature's diversity and complexity. However, their rarity often comes with challenges, from survival difficulties in the wild to heightened vulnerability to health issues. Which of these albino animals do you find most rare? Drop a comment in comment section. Don't forget to like, share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe this channel for more fascinating content about the wonders of the natural world.